Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a zenphi flow using HTTP trigger. For our scenario, I'm going to use a service called CloudMailIn, which lets us make HTTP call when an email arrives to a specific mailbox. This is really useful for certain scenarios. So for demo, I'll be using this one. Now, first thing, let's go and create an address here. So this cloud mailing gives us a specific address. In order to do that, it is asking us, where do you want me to call when I receive the email? Uh, let's get that information from zenphi. Let's create a flow. The flow is going to start using HTTP API. I'm just going to create it and rename it to cloud mail-in, uh, and as an empty flow, I will just publish it. Publish it so that I can get the invocation information from here. As you can see, I've got a URL and I've got a HTTP token to use as well. Now, um, the issue here is that this HTTP token needs to be passed as a header. Now, the issue here is Cloud Mailing does not let me configure headers. Now, the good news is that zenphi would still work uh, by passing this value as a query string. So if I go here, let's create a new doc new, and I'm going to copy both values so I can show you how you can construct that. So this is the URL I've got. Um, Control V, yep. And I'm also going to copy the token. I come here, if I need to pass it as a question value, I just put a question mark here, paste the value, and gotta be careful to replace this colon with equals sign, making sure there's no space at the end. And that's basically it. I copy this one, go back here, paste it here, change it to JSON, um, next. Um, okay, so it's giving me an email address. I copy this email address. I will send a test email address um, to make sure the flow is gonna start. Before that, let's come back here just to quickly show you. I can drop it here. And let me print out the body of the HTTP call which we will be receiving. Okay, I've got that. Publish it. Let's head back to here. Compose a new message saying that hello zenphi. Hi there. This is coming from HTTP trigger. Press send. Message is sent. Let's go back to zenphi. Let's go back to recent runs. And now let's refresh. Yep, it is appearing. If I drill into it, and I can see if I zoom in here, you see this is um, the body of the message that I put in. So as simple as that, you can trigger zenphi flow basically from any system out there which supports making HTTP call. You can do it using HTTP post as well as HTTP get. To do HTTP get, you could use the same URL and just make the call. Thank you very much, and please share your comments and feedbacks on our user voice website.